Hello and welcome to Lucent IS. In this video, we'll discuss the articles from The Hindu newspaper and Assam Tribune newspaper dated 9th October 2020. The first article has been taken from The Hindu newspaper. What is TRP and why was it manipulated? Recently, the Mumbai police alleged that households were being paid by three national television channels to manipulate the TRP. And what is TRP? TRP means target rating point or television rating point. It is a tool provided to judge which programs are viewed the most. This gives us an index of the choice of the people and also the popularity of the particular news channel. Now, how TRP is calculated? See, in simple terms, anyone who watches television for more than 1 minute is considered a viewer. The viewer can be as young as a 2-year-old. Now, the TRP is calculated by the average of a 30-day period, which gives the viewership status for a particular channel. Now, which body calculates the TRP? BERC. Now, what is BERC? BERC means Broadcast Audience Research Council. It uses the barometers that are installed on televisions in selected households. The BERC has installed these meters in 44,000 households across the country. এইখিনি হাউচহোল্ডৰ পৰা যিখিনি ডাটা আহে সেইখিনি ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিজ এটা ক্যালকুলেট কৰা হয় এণ্ড দেন 30-day এভাৰেজ এটা লৈ কিনে TRP calculate কৰা হয়. Now, why TRP is important? Because as per reports, about 70% of the revenue for a television channel comes from advertisement, while only 30% from subscription. That means maximum revenue channel advertisement now যিটো চেনেলৰ TRP হাই হয় তাতে এডভাৰটাইজমেণ্টৰ ৰেট বেছি হয়. That means higher the TRP, higher the revenue from advertisement. So next thing is BERC. What is BERC? It is a industry body jointly owned by advertisers, ad agencies, and broadcasting companies, represented by the Indian Society of Advertisers, the Indian Broadcasting Foundation, and Advertising Agencies Association of India. Now, it was created in 2010, but the Information and Broadcasting Ministry notified the policy guidelines for TV ratings only in 2014, and it registered BERC in July 2015 under these guidelines to carry out the TV ratings in India. Now, TRAI. What is TRAI? TRAI means Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. TRAI কি কৈছে TV ratingৰ ওপৰত? In 2018, TRAI, while defining the TV rating, it's noted down its importance on the basis of audience measurement data. Ratings are assigned to various programs on television. Now, TV ratings in turn influence programs produced for the viewers. Better ratings would promote a program, while poor rating will discourage a program. Next line is very important. The incorrect rating or corrupt ratings will lead to production of programs which may not be really popular, while good programs may be left out. Now, regulation কি আছে? The News Broadcasters Association of India, NBA, has set up News Broadcasting Standards Authority or NBSA for complaints regarding news channel. Similarly, Indian Broadcasting Foundation has set up BCCC or Broadcasting Content Complaints Council for complaints regarding non-news and entertainment channels. Whereas Advertising Standards Council of India or ASCI or ASCI for complaints regarding advertisement. Now, under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, the Broadcasting Wing is concerned wing for all matters related to regulation of content telecast on private satellite TV and retransmitted through cable TV network in terms of program. Similarly, as Advertisement Code. Now, what is Advertisement Code? It prescribed in Cable Television Networks Act 1995. Which act? Cable TV Network 1995 and the Cable Television Network Rules 1994 framed under this act. Now, every broadcaster through various policy guidelines has been mandated to follow Program and Advertisement Code prescribed under Cable TV Network Act 1995 and rules framed under it. Similarly, for regulation of content on private satellite TV channels, the ministry has constituted an inter-ministerial committee headed by Additional Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা মেম্বাৰ কোন থাকে from Ministry of Home Affairs, Defense, Law and Justice, External Affairs, Health and Family Welfare, Women and Child Development, Consumer Affairs, আৰু a representative of Advertising Standards Council of India. Now, এই যিটো কমিটি হয় ইণ্টাৰমিনিষ্ট্ৰিয়েল কমিটি, ইট ইজ এ ৰিকমেণ্ডেটৰী বডি. নেক্সট, in order to enforce the Cable Act and rules at the district level, the monitoring committee for the programs and advertisement telecast by cable TV at the state and district level established kora hoise. Now this is important for 2021 UPSC prelims and 2020 APSC prelims, and similarly this year UPSC mains. Now next news, that is from Assam Tribune. Chief Minister launches scheme to empower women. Naam ki hoy? Swanirbhar Nari Atmanirbhar Assam. Etu kihor karone launch korise? To empower the economically disadvantaged women. Ministry কোন হয়? Panchayat and Rural Development. Aim কি হয়? To create কৰিব 3.7 lakh sustainable individual and 822 community assets benefiting around 4 lakh families in the first phase under Manrega. Or convergence scheme hobo with convergence of schemes of various departments such as Assam State Rural Development Mission, Agriculture and Horticulture, Fishery, Environment and Forest, Handloom and Textile, Sericulture, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, etc. Very important for APSC prelims. Scheme to hold Swanirbhar Nari Atmanirbhar Assam. Our ministry ki hoy? Panchayat and Rural Development. Aru aim ki hoy? To empower the economically disadvantaged women. The next one regarding Nobel Prize for Physics. Now Nobel Prize for Physics এই বছর কোনে পাইছিলে? Roger Penrose of Britain, Reinhard Genzel from Germany, and Henry Gage from USA. And Roger Penrose কিহৰ কাৰণে পালে? For discovery that a black hole formation is a robust prediction of general theory of relativity. Similarly, Gengel and Gus received a prize for the discovery of a supermassive black hole at the center of a Milky Way galaxy now known to be Sagittarius A. See, particle physics or ekhini part important hoy. Every year UPSC prelims ইয়াৰ পৰা question থাকে. এই বছৰ আছিলে আৰু hopefully APSC prelims তো ইয়াৰ পৰা question থাকিব. See, last year UPSC সুধিছিলে, recently scientists, this is from UPSC 2019, recently scientists observed the merger of a giant black holes billions of light years away from the Earth. What is its significance of this observation? The answer is the gravitational waves were detected. Similarly, 2017 same topic or report, that is E-LIJA or EVOLVE-LIJA report question আহিছে এই বছৰ prelims আৰু 17 prelims same question, just topic to repeat হৈছে, সেই কাৰণে সদায় আগৰ previous year paper ভালকৈ solve কৰি যাব লাগে. ইয়াত কি হৈছিলে? This experiment will employ a trio বা তিনিখন spacecraft flying in formation in shape of a equilateral triangle that has sides 1 million kilometers long with lasers shining between the craft. The experiment in question refers to, the answer is EVOLVE-LIJA. Now let us discuss what is black hole. When a massive star collapses under its own gravity, it forms a black hole. কোনবোৰ star? Massive, বহুত ডাঙৰ star যিবোৰ আছে, they collapses under its own gravity, নিজৰ gravity under, and it forms a black hole that captures everything passing its event horizon. Black hole is formed when stars collapse and can be defined as a space in the universe with an escape velocity so strong that even light cannot escape it. Light escape কৰিব নোৱাৰে যে ব্লেক হোলৰ যিটো এট্ৰেকশ্যন ফ'ৰ্চ আছে তাৰ পৰা. Now, what is escape velocity? Escape velocity is the speed at which an object must travel to override a planet or an object's gravitational force. Now, next important is singularity. What is singularity? Singularity means a gravitational singularity or space singularity, space-time singularity, or simply singularity. It's a location, very important. It is a location in space-time. Singularity is a location in space-time where the gravitational field of a celestial body is predicted to become infinite by general relativity in a way that does not depend on the coordinate system. Singularity কি হয়? Time and matter wrap করে. Similarly, now what is event horizon? Event horizon কি হয়? Of course, event horizon আৰু এটা আছে, that is the scientific project of NASA. But in terms of particle physics, event horizon হ'ল that boundary line, that is the point of no return. Event horizon অহাৰ লগালগ ব্লেক হোলৰ যিটো গ্ৰেভিটেশ্যনেল পুল আছে বা ফ'ৰ্চ আছে তাৰ আণ্ডাৰত বস্তুটো যিকোনো বস্তু লাইট হওক যিকোনো বস্তু ব্লেক হোলত সোমাই যাবলৈ ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰে. নাও হোৱাট ইজ নিউট্ৰন ষ্টাৰ? Neutron stars are thought to form by gravitational collapse of the remnant of a massive star after a supernova explosion, provided the star is insufficiently massive to produce a black hole. That means there is a massive star which is insufficiently massive to be a black hole become a neutron star after supernova explosion. So these terms are important for UPSC prelims, of course. Again, UPSC prelims. So also for mains, because 2018 mains এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন এবাৰ আহি গৈছে. সেইকাৰণে ব্লেক হোল কি হয়, সিঙ্গুলাৰিটি কি হয়, ইভেন্ট হৰাইজন কি হয়, হোৱাট ইজ নিউট্ৰন ষ্টাৰ, these things are very important. Next is Supreme Court judgment. আজিকালি UPSC প্ৰিলিমছত সুপ্ৰিম কোৰ্ট জাজমেণ্টৰ ওপৰত প্ৰায় কুৱেশ্যন আহি আছে. APSCৰ কাৰণে সমানে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়. Now what is the judgment? The public places cannot be occupied indefinitely. ইহৰ ওপৰত আহিছিলে ৰিচেণ্টলি চিটিজেনশ্বিপ এমেণ্ডমেণ্ট এক্টৰ কাৰণে শাহিনবাগ বুলি জেগা এটাত দিল্লীত প্ৰটেষ্ট হৈ আছিলে য'ত ৰোড ব্লকেট হৈছিলে. তাৰ কাৰণে জেনেৰেল পাব্লিকৰ বহুত বেছি ডিষ্টাৰ্বেঞ্চ হৈছিলে. Now from this article it is important to know the right to protest. Our constitutional under right to protest কি হয়? The constitutional provisions for right to protest ক'ত আছে? Under the fundamental rights, that is under freedom. Under the Article 19 Part 1A, right to protest peacefully is enshrined in the Indian Constitution. It guarantees the freedom of speech and expression. Article 91B, Article 91 Part 1B assures citizens the right to assemble peacefully and without arms. That word is very important here. That means right to protest is with condition, say without arms and assemble peacefully. Now what Article 19 Part 2? It imposes the reasonable restriction. It imposes the reasonable restriction on the right to assemble peacefully and without arms. কি হয়? These reasonable restrictions are imposed in the interest of sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of the state, friendly relation with foreign states, public order, decency or morality in relation to contempt of court, defamation or incitement to an offense. বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় ৱৰ্ডিংছখিনি. যেনেকৈ এইবাৰ প্ৰিএম্বলৰ ওপৰত UPSC কুৱেশ্যন আছিলে, তাৰে লেংগুৱেজটো বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট আছিলে. তো চিমিলাৰলি বেছিক ডক্ট্ৰিনৰ ওপৰত UPSC প্ৰিলিমছত কুৱেশ্যন আছিলে এইবাৰ. তো চিমিলাৰলি ফৰ নেক্সট ইয়াৰ UPSC প্ৰিলিমছ right to protest is important, and also for this year APSC prelims 2020. Now in the Ramlila Maidan incident versus Home Secretary Union of India and others case 2012 for it Supreme Court case asle, Supreme Court has stated the citizens have a fundamental right to assemble and peaceful protest which cannot be taken away by an arbitrary executive or legislative action. Very important. So this article is important for both prelims and mains perspective. Next is again Nobel Awards for chemistry. Makers of gene seizures win chemistry Nobel. The French-American duo develop CRISPR-Cas9 tool to edit the DNA with precision. Now, Emmanuel Carpentier of France and Jennifer Doudna of the US won the chemistry Nobel for the development of CRISPR-Cas9. CRISPR মানে কি হয়? Clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. Now, what is CRISPR-Cas9? It is a new genome editing tool. কি হয়? Gene editing tool, which is simpler, faster, cheaper, more versatile, and more accurate than the previous techniques of editing DNA. That means DNA edit কৰাৰ technique আগৰ পৰাই আছিলে. But CRISPR-Cas9 is more simpler, more faster, cheaper, more versatile, and more accurate than the previous techniques of editing DNA and has a wide range of potential application. Now, কি হয়? Cas9 act as a pair of molecular scissor that can cut two strands of DNA at a specific location. Now, see, ইয়াৰ আগতে দুটামান বস্তু জনাটো দৰকাৰ হয়. The first thing is যে CRISPR-Cas9 কাম কেনেকৈ কৰে. The CRISPRs are specialized stretches of DNA. The CRISPR-Cas9 system consists of two key molecules that introduce a change into the DNA. কি হয়? The enzyme called Cas9. What is Cas9? This acts as a pair of molecular scissors that can cut two strands of DNA at a specific location. That means যিকোনো point of the DNA in the genome so that the bits of DNA can then be added or removed. Similarly, a piece of RNA called guide RNA or gRNA. কি কৰে? This consists of a small piece of pre-designated RNA sequence. Length কিমান হয়? 20 base long, located within the longer RNA scaffold. আৰু কি কৰে? It binds to DNA and pre-designated sequence guides the Cas9 to the right part of the genome. That means guide RNA or gRNA guide কৰে. কাক guide কৰে? Cas9 guide কৰে যে কোনটো পইণ্টক DNA টো কাট কৰিব লগা আছে. ঠিক আছে? এইখিনিৰ বাহিৰে আমি আৰু অকণ জানিব লাগিব যে ৰেষ্ট্ৰিকশ্যন এনজাইম কি হয়. See, ইয়াৰ আগৰ টেকনিক হয় restriction enzyme. It belongs to a larger class of enzyme called nucleases. These are of two kinds, exonuclease and endonuclease. Exonuclease কি কৰে? It removes nucleotides from the ends of the DNA. That means DNA দুইটা এণ্ডৰ পৰা exonuclease nucleotide remove কৰিব পাৰে. Similarly, endonuclease কি কৰিব পাৰে? It make cuts at specific position, very important, within the DNA. তাৰ পিছত দুইটা জইন কেনেকৈ কৰে? By using DNA ligase. The thickness at the ends facilitates the action of the enzyme DNA ligase. DNA ligase কি হয়? It is like a gum. আপোনাৰ আঠাৰ নিচিনা যিয়ে DNA টো আকৌ লগাই দিয়ে. Like this one. This is a circular DNA known as plasmid. Plasmidৰ পৰা কি কৰিছে? Using the restriction enzyme ইয়াৰ পৰা DNA টো কাট কৰিছে আৰু after that using the ligase আকৌ foreign DNA এটা ইয়াত লগাই দিছে. Similarly, in this case, for the technique of CRISPR-Cas9, ইয়াত কি কৰিছে যে initially guide RNA binds the target sequence. ইয়াত target কৰিছে. Now Cas9 enzyme binds the guide RNA, turns Cas9 the molecular scissor, cuts the DNA at that particular point আৰু পিছত তাত জইন কৰি mutate কৰিছে. That is the DNA editing technique. Very important for this year prelims, also for next year prelims. Every year, এইটো পাৰ্টৰ পৰা generally question থাকে. Present last year question আহিছিলে যে CRISPR-Cas9 কি হয় তাৰ ওপৰত আহিছিলে. Similarly, 18টো CRISPR-Cas9 ওপৰত দুবাৰ question আহি গৈছে. Same topic, 2018, 2019. Similarly, 2020 UPSC প্ৰিলিমছতো জিন এডিটিঙৰ ওপৰত কুৱেশ্যন আহি গৈছে চ' APSCৰ কাৰণে বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট বায়'টেকনলজি পাৰ্টত জেনম এডিটিং অৰ নিউজ জিন এডিটিং টুল কি হয় আৰু তাৰে ভিতৰত ক্ৰিস্পাৰ কি হয় কেষ্টাইন কি হয় গোটেইখিনি চিমিলাৰলি হোৱাট ইজ ৰেষ্ট্ৰিকশ্যন এনজাইম হোৱাট ইজ exonuclease, what is endonuclease, and what is DNA ligase. এই গোটেইখিনি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় next one is next news is from Assam Tribune যে অট'নমাছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট বা BTR নতুনকৈ ইলেকশ্যন হ'ব নাও BTAD এতিয়ালৈকে BTAD হৈ আছে প্ৰপ'জ BTR তাত কি ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট আছে কোকৰাঝাৰ চিৰাং বাক্সা ওদালগুৰি APSC প্ৰিলিমছত আহিব পাৰে যে কোনকেইখন ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টে BTAD ফৰ্ম কৰে সেইকাৰণে এইখিনি জনাটো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট নাও হোৱাট আৰ অট'নমাছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট কাউন্সিল এজ পাৰ দ্য 6th schedule of the constitution the only four state কি হয় Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram contain the tribal areas which are technically different from the scheduled areas. Though these areas fall within the executive authority of the state, provision has been made for creation of district council and regional council for the exercise of certain legislative and judicial power. ইয়াত যেতিয়া এইটো ইলেকশ্যন হ'বলৈ গৈ আছে এইটো ইলেকশ্যন কোনে কণ্ডাক্ট কৰিব দ্য ষ্টেট ইলেকশ্যন কমিশ্যন নট দ্য চেণ্ট্ৰেল ইলেকশ্যন কমিশ্যন আৰু ষ্টেট ইলেকশ্যন কমিশ্যন ইয়েছ ইট ইজ কনষ্টিটিউচনেল বডি ভায়া দ্য 73rd এমেণ্ডমেণ্ট এক্ট ইনক্লুড কৰা হৈছিলে মেঘালয়ত কি আছে অট'নমাছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট দ্য খাচী হিলছ অট'নমাছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট জায়ন্তীয়া হিল অট'নমাছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট এণ্ড গাৰো হিলছ অট'নমাছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট এণ্ড চিমিলাৰলি মিজোৰামত আছে চাকমা এণ্ড লাই অট'নমাছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট এণ্ড মাৰা অট'নমাছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট ত্ৰিপুৰাত কি আছে ত্ৰিপুৰাত আছে ত্ৰিপুৰা ট্ৰাইবেল এৰিয়াছ অট'নমাছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট আৰু অসমত ডিমা হাছাও কাৰ্বি আংলং এণ্ড বড়োলেণ্ড টেৰিটৰিয়েল কাউন্সিল চ' দিছ আৰ দ্য ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট আৰ্টিকলছ